How to save data in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here click on storage and data. You will land on this page right here, from which you will use some features that will allow you to use less data and save it when using WhatsApp. The first feature that you want to turn on is the use less data for calls. As you can see, it has a toggle next to it, which is turned off. Click on it to turn it on. The second feature that you want to turn off is the auto download, and as you can see here, you have some options as to which network you want to save data on. So just click on, say for example you want to use less data or save mobile data, click on it and then uncheck all of these boxes right here. So the auto download feature will be turned off when you are using mobile data. You can do the same for Wi-Fi and the rest of the options, as you can see right here. With this will turn off and disable the auto download completely on WhatsApp. The third option that you want to customize is the media upload quality. At the bottom, as you can see, it tells you choose the quality of media files to be sent. Click on photo upload quality and set this option to the data saver and click on OK to save the changes. And by doing that, you will make sure that you will minimize the data use and save it to the greatest degree when using WhatsApp. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use less data on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.